another wonderful question. PQ is parallel to RS. And very tough to imagine when the diagram is not the way we want it to be. Yes, R. This is extended. Right. This is T, P, Q. Right. I'm going to forget about T. I'm going to think about this whole angle. PQ and RS are parallel to each other. So I'm going to imagine this extended like this. Imagine this extended like this. This angle is 95 degrees. Two parallel lines SR and QP cut by a transversal QR. This angle were 95. What will be this angle? Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. If this is 95, what is this? What type of angles are this and this? They are corresponding angles. So this were 95. This will also be 95. I mean, two parallel lines cut by a transversal. This is 95. This will also be 95. And so the angle outside here is 95. What will be angle PQR? Say this point is U. Angle RQU is 95. What will be angle PQR? This angle. This angle is 95. This angle will be 180 minus 95. 180 minus 95 is 85. Brilliant. So now in this diagram, this whole angle is 85, or X plus 30 degrees is 85 degrees. X is 85 minus 30, 55 degrees. These kind of questions, make sure you identify what the parallel lines are and how the transversal is. And the other way of doing this is 95, this is 85. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles. So this is 85, this should be 85. X plus 30 is 85, X is 55. Exact same answer, just a slightly different approach.